Welcome to Real Estate Talks, Miami Flavors. Hi, my name is Cathy Resek. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams in Miami. And I realized that during these difficult times, a lot of us are spending a lot of time in the kitchen. So I want to share with you a favorite dessert throughout Latin America, which is the flan. And here in Miami, we are a melting pot of different Latin American cultures from Mexico, Venezuela, Colombia, Brazil, the Dominican Republic, you name it. If it's Latin, you'll find it here in Miami. This recipe is the flan recipe. It may have different names throughout the region. Most of us know it as flan, or in Brazil we call it pudim de leite. It's very, very easy to make, only 4 ingredients: eggs, sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. So let me show you how I make it. If you live in Miami or near a Latin supermarket and find this caramel syrup, you can skip the caramel sauce recipe part. If not, stay tuned. Mix the sugar with the water and boil it in high for about 4 minutes. After that, lower it to medium-high for an additional 6 to 7 minutes until light brown in color. Mix all the ingredients well: the condensed milk, the evaporated milk, the eggs, and the vanilla extract. You can use a blender, or you can do it by hand with a whisk, whatever you have that would make it easier for you, but it needs to be well mixed. Once you cover the pan, you can put some boiling water. This technique we call in Spanish baño María. If you don't want to do that, just put it straight into the oven for 1 hour. Let the flan in the fridge for as long as you want, at least 4 hours. I like to make it the night before. If you like this recipe, I invite you to check my other recipe in this channel, the no knead rustic bread recipe. It's super easy to make. If you are thinking of relocating to South Florida or live here already and are thinking of buying or selling, you can contact me at any time for a free consultation. My information can be found in the description below this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell so you can be notified with our weekly uploads. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.